Yeah, apa ni? Ndugu zangu mzidi kwanza.
I talk to myself a lot. Some think I'm crazy. I figured that too. One day as I sit by myself, I asked self, what you wanna be, son? A king, I replied. And after some time I asked again, a foolish or a wise one? I had to think again. Which is better, to be foolish or wise? What do I gain by being the other in the end? King. I couldn't tell, so I went to ask a friend. Sun is the source of all life. She dominates the sky whenever she is visible, and she is beautiful when she rises and when she falls, and when the earth rushes back to where she rises again. All the days of my life, the age and the times that I exist in, every time she shines, she reminds me of the greatness of the Most High, the one. So if I should have a daughter, I will name her Sun.
Stop it, bro. Stop it, bro.
Stop it, watch no try video.